Kiinteistöskeyhtiö Tarmontalo.
And a very nice elevator today on the 29th of September 2023. Here's was Iidesranta.
Yes.
6 staircase. We filmed the staircase C and B here. And then we can go to the staircase C and D soon.
Yeah.
The capacity is 8 persons or 16 diagrams, so this building has 5 staircases here. And strangely, all of them had an intercom before, but I've been taken out of use, and instead it's open during the daytime again.
Yeah.
And it's built in the beginning of 2001. Are 20 years old in 2021, December SB1 and E2976 will be expecting the next year, 2024. As you have 2 rides here, 5 floors. In Järvensivu, Tampere, Finland. And that ground floor is green here.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in here.
Se.
I like this one also.
Nyt pitää paikki väispytä, että me ei tehnyt paikkaa, niin...
That's why the alarm has been changed to connection. Oh yeah, of course there are always 2 different types of ground floor buttons, with the green one but the red light, and then this regular one but with the green light.
Yeah.
But also, maybe I think I've seen also the green one with the green lights.
Yeah.
But it's more rare.
Yeah. That's